Millions living with diabetes take daily insulin injections, but what if they could just pop a pill instead? In this special Health Watch report, Kelly Eckerman shows us what scientists have found in the most unlikely place.
What if I told you the cure for diabetes could be found in this head of lettuce? Sounds silly? Well, it's working in mice, and that's enough to have some scientists very excited. For the past 5 years, lettuce has ruled this research lab.
This would be not only a cure, but it will also be an inexpensive cure.
Could it be that simple? A cure for diabetes in this genetically modified lettuce? Here's how it works. A lettuce leaf is placed in this machine, then injected with the human gene for insulin. Now this leaf is producing insulin. Tested on mice, even Dr. Daniel was shocked with the results. By the end of the study, the diabetic mice had normal blood and urine sugar levels.
Once this autoimmune disorder was cured, the beta cells came back alive and produced normal levels of insulin.
Problem is, it's only been tested in mice, and that's where the research draws criticism.
We've been learning more and more to our disappointment that the type of diabetes that mice get that we often study doesn't translate well into humans in many instances. So I think one has to hold back your enthusiasm a little bit on this and let it play out in the scientific community.
Similar research has been tried before in carrots. It did provide valuable information, but not a cure. Still, even skeptics say the genetically altered lettuce is a valuable breakthrough. Mice got results after only 8 weeks of treatment. For humans, the lettuce would be ground into fine powder and placed in capsules. If scientists find a way to duplicate results in humans, imagine the impact in those with type 1 diabetes, eliminating daily injections.
I think the technology is more interesting than the results. I think it's one way of learning what will work and what will not work. And these things are all little steps that sooner or later may lead to the breakthrough. We keep waiting for it and hoping for it. But I'm not sure this is it.
Again, all of this is still years from reality, but the premise behind it has the scientific world talking, and that means we haven't heard the last of it. Now, if you're wondering why experiment on lettuce and not a potato or tomato, for the answer to that, go to our website, kmbc.com.